time to tell you something about Kevin Fenster. Okay, let me just tell you that his videos should be comment, liked, and subscribed. And okay, this is just yay! Damn it! Like and subscribe to his videos. Comment, like, and subscribe to his videos. Comment, like, subscribe to his videos. And Kevin Fenster's real name is not Kevin Fenster. That's actually his. Well, I don't want to tell you Kevin Fenster really. Yeah, actually just whatever, I see. Whatever, I'm just gonna get out of here. Comment, like, and subscribe to his videos. Comment, like, and subscribe to his videos. Comment, like, subscribe to his videos. Comment, like, subscribe to his videos. Woo! He might have a gaming channel. Okay, bye.